Good morning, students. Welcome back to Discrete Mathematical Structure class. Myself, Rajeshwari. Okay, we'll continue with the subject. Last class we have seen with the fundamentals of logic, that is basic connectives, and about truth tables. We'll go with this topic only again. So these are the basic connectives which we learned: negation, conjunction, disjunction, exclusive OR, then implication, then biconditional. And also we have seen the one example, that is with respect to how to represent a prepositions, that is using the small case letters and usage of those with respect to the sentences. And also we learned with the truth table. So what do you mean by truth table? Truth table is any preposition can have two values, either 0 or 1. So if the value is 0, it is going to be called as a false. If it is having a value 1, it is going to be called as a true. And for one preposition we will be having two values. For two prepositions we will be having 4 combinations of value. Similarly, for 3 prepositions we will be having 8 truth values. Similarly, for n prepositions we will be having 2 raised to n possibilities. Okay, this is a truth table which we have seen in a previous class. Now we'll go with the one example. So it's been given a statement. What is P implies Q, and Q and negation of R implies P or R. Look, we don't have a simply one preposition here, but instead it is combination of many prepositions. So when it is combination of many prepositions together with the basic connectives, then it is going to be called as a composite statement. Okay, so when just first we have to look into this statement, how many primitive statements are there. So first one is P, another one is Q, another one is R. There are totally 3 primitive statements. Okay, hence there are 3 primitive statements. I'm going to write 8 rows for this one. And which all primitive statements are there? For those I am writing a column. So first one, negation of R I need, that is I have written. Then for P implies Q, then Q and negation of R, then P or R. For this we are writing. Now we'll go on writing the values. So taking these values P, Q, R. So first I take all values as 0. Second I'll take this value as 1. Next I'll take a 0, 1, 0. Then I'll take a 0, 1, 1. Then I'll take a 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 1. Then 1, 1, 0. Then triple 1. Okay. Once it is done, next we'll go with the negation of R. We have to find out. So for this negation of R, input is R only. Okay. So when we are writing here, it will be negation means it's 0 will become 1 and 1 will become 0. So 0 will become 1, 1 will become 0. So similarly, rest of the things I am writing, that is 0 will become 1 and 1 will become 0, then 0 will become 1, then 1 will become 0. Okay. Next we have to find out for P implies Q. For this P implies Q, inputs are, one is P, another one is Q. Okay, so this is P and this is Q. You can see the difference in the color. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to do implication. So when we have to write the implication, we have to remember. So P value is 1 and Q value is 0. Only that combination we will be getting as a false value. Rest of all the combination, that is 0, 0 will be 1, 0, 1 will be 1, then 1, 1 will be 1. So 0, 0 it is 1. And 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, then 1, 1, 1. Okay. Next we have to find out for this one. So Q and negation of R. For this what we are going to do? We'll Q, this is input, and negation of R is going to be input. So what we are going to do now? We'll take a 0, 1. When is conjunction is going to be 1? Only one possibility, that is Q is also 1 and negation of R is also 1. Only that condition, Q and negation of R is going to be 1. So look at such a combination. So this is 1 1 and I got as 1. And next here is one more possibility, 1 and 1 I got 1. Rest of all values are taken as a 0. Okay, next we have to go for P or R. Here it is. So for this inputs are P, then another one is R. So P or R we will be having as 0. So here what is this is disjunction. So in a disjunction what we are going to have, only one possibility. What is that? 0 or 0 we will be getting as a 0. Right? If anyone is 1 or both are 1 we will be getting as 1. So only this 0 0 is going to be 0, and one more, this 0 0 sorry 0 0 is 0, and this is 0 and 0 is going to be 0. Rest of all the values are going to be 1. Okay, next what we have to do, it's a compound statement of these two. So this value I got over here and this value I got over here. Now what we are going to do, we have to combine those things. How we are going to combine? In a question statement it has been given implication, so we'll put an implication here and we'll find out. Again with respect to implication, first value is 1 and the second value is 0, we will be getting as a 0 only. So look at such a combination, that is 1 0 is 0, rest of all values it is going to be 1. Now finally we have to find out this part. Okay, so in this condition this part also I am having and this part also I am already having. So P implies Q this value and Q and negation of R and P or R this value is there. So in between I'm going to have a conjunction. So in conjunction we have to have a strictly this P implies Q is also 1 and this part also should be 1, then only I'll be getting as a 1. So look at such a combination. So 1 sorry okay, so 1 1 it is going to be 1 1 1 it is going to be 1 1 0 it is going to be 0 1 1 1, then 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, this is how we are going to write a truth table. Thank you.